Question 22. The formula C equals 100N plus B is used to calculate the cost of producing laptops, where C is the cost in dollars, N is the number of laptops produced, and B is the fixed cost in dollars. Part A. Find the cost when 1,943 laptops are produced and the fixed cost is $20,180. Substituting 1,943 for N and 20,180 for B, we have the cost C is equal to 100 times 1,943 plus 20,180, which equals $214,480. Part B. Some laptops have some extra features added. The formula to calculate the production cost for these is C equals 100N plus AN plus 20,180, where A is the additional cost in dollars per laptop produced. Find the number of laptops produced if the additional cost is $26 per laptop and the total production cost is $97,040. We need to solve this equation for N, where N represents the number of laptops produced. Now we know that C is equal to 97,040 and A is equal to 26. So substituting these two values for C and A, we have 97,040 is equal to 100N plus 26N plus 20,180. Subtracting 20,180 from both sides of this equation, we have 76,860 is equal to 100N plus 26N. Now we have two terms that are like terms on the right hand side, so these can be combined. So 100N plus 26N is equal to 126N. So the equation becomes 76,860 is equal to 126N. Dividing both sides of the equation by 126 to make N the subject, we have N is equal to 76,860 divided by 126, which equals 610. Therefore, 610 laptops were produced.